Mathina ma kirabu kia Mount Kenya United matiguthiraga matira na one thutha wa kugomera ngucanio na kirabu kia Gor Mahia iria gubangitwo guthakanwo umuthi kiharo-ini kia Machakos. Mubira ucio uma uthakanwo thaa 9 cia muthenya no athakia ya Mount Kenya moneka kiharo-ini gia City Stadium magithie na mbere na kugomera mihango ya kirabu giki magitetia kwaga kurihwo riu kwa ihinda.
I can't say anything, but yes, we got 3 points. I rather play to get 3 points. But we didn't know. We came, we prepared ourselves, everything mentally, physically. But the Mount Kenya players, they didn't turn up.
Gor Mahia riu makirie kuheo pointi ingi ithatu ni undu wa ngucanio iyo na wona mongererwo pointi ici megukinyithia pointi 52 murugamo wa metha.
Unfortunately, I feel sorry for the players. What I heard, you know, it's not great for the Premier League, Kenya Premier League, but
kuendesha team si kitu rahisi. Sisi Gor tumeendesha mpaka tumejenga kwa jina kubwa. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuambia Mount Kenya, sisi hatupendi vitu za bure.
Kwa nimetoka Kisumu kukuja kuwatch Gor Mahia versus Mount Kenya, but I'm so much disappointed because there's nothing. I'm wasting my day today.
Naguo ucagurani wa timu ya boxing iri ibatie kurugamirira bururi thiini wa mbitĩka cia Afrika ni gomeirwo ni ngucanio gatagati ka atongoria a kiama kia Boxing Association of Kenya. President wa ihinda riri wa kiama kia BAK John Kameta augite ucagurani wa timu iri irathie kuria bururi-ini wa Morocco mweri wa kanana urathie na mbere kuria mwena wa Mombatha ona thengia wa timu ingi kwambiriria mihango ya ucagurani guku mucii wa Nairobi. Kenya ibatie kunyita itemi thiini wa mbitĩka cia All Africa Games iria gutamenyekete no ukuheana maritwa ma athaki.